Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share this look with you. This is my sunset inspired summer fling makeup look. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you stay tuned for all my up and coming videos in the future. We're about to go ahead and get started. So as y'all can see, I already did her foundation for her base on her face, and I did her eyebrows as well on top of her natural brows. First things first, I'll eat your brain. It's like, nah, if you're a Nicki fan, you know you'll get that. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and start by applying the base eyeshadow, and we're using the color Beam in Light. Next, this is something I should have done in the first place, but I totally forgot. But now I'm going in with my transition color, and you can use any type of light orange or brown color, it really don't matter. Next step to this eyeshadow look, we're going to go ahead into the Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette, and we're going to use the beautiful yellow. To get the most pigment out of this palette, I find that if you take your finger and basically make a circular motion in the eyeshadow, it kind of like warms it up, so therefore when you place it on the skin, it leaves like a more true pigment. So just try it, it might work for you like it did for me. Using the same palette, I'm going in with the orange color to help create that sunset inspired gradient look. Yo, I love Juvia's Place, the company, because for one, it is black owned if you didn't know, so go support. But also, all of the eyeshadows are well pigmented. Their palettes are amazing. Now it is time for blending. Blend. Basically, all I'm doing is, and I probably did this like 5 times with each color, I just added more color, so more yellows, more orange, more, what was that, like a white nude color, whatever, and I just added it on there and I blended it together until it was to my liking. So I would suggest you do the same thing, make it as pigment as much as you want. It's up to you because it's your look, sis. I told you I did this like 10 times. Random, but before you start touching it on your client's face with your bare hands, make sure you wash them first, you know, sanitary rules. And also get permission from your client. See if they're comfortable with you using your bare hands on their face. Now we're going back into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration palette, and I'm a huge fan with mixing colors to create new colors. So to get this nice brown, I mixed Central Park and Soda Pop, the 2 browns that's in this palette, to create this shade, as you can see. And basically what I'm just doing is just applying this above the base, so above her lid, to create more definition to the eyeshadow. I want to go ahead and apologize for the next couple of clips. My camera lens doesn't do well with zooming up close, so that's something that I am investing in. But yeah, just bear with me. Yay, we made it to the fun part of the look where we're basically just adding texture to the eyeshadow. As you can see above the yellow, I'm adding NYX Cosmetics Glam Liner in the shade 24 Karat, you know, to give it that 24 karat magic in the air effect. Now I'm applying glitter on top of the orange shadow. If you need a bomb ass glitter company, look up Lit Cosmetics. I'm using their glitter in the color Solar Blast to give this nice holographic orange effect. I'm telling you, Lit Cosmetics never disappoints. Go ahead and check them out, sis. Right now, the look is complete. I guess I decided that I need to go back in and blend it a little bit more. I'm actually adding more oranges to that part of the eyeshadow to give it more of a gradient, more definition effect. You really don't have to do this step. I guess this is something that I decided I needed to do when I did this look, but yeah, to each its own, you know. Do what makes you feel good inside, you know what I mean? Do whatever makes your heart sing or whatever, you know. But this is the final look. Yes. Ooh. Ooh, I dig that. I don't care, yo. Ooh. If you don't know me, my name is Janaea. Online, I go by Unapologetic Nay. I will have a tutorial of how I do my full face routine coming up shortly. I might do it on a client, might do it on myself, who knows, stay tuned. If you know me, you know that I love to have fun. I'm a super goofball. All of my tutorials will be in such manner, and I strive to make under 5-minute makeup tutorials. So I definitely just want to come here and say thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below what you want to see next.